Hi there, my name's Eamon and I'd like to welcome you to our first tutorial here at GoNative. GoNative is an online app building platform where you can build mobile apps for iOS and Android devices that are powered entirely by your web content. You can easily publish your app onto both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store to make them easily accessible to the public. GoNative is also a great alternative to build native apps from scratch, which can be incredibly costly and time consuming if done in-house. And by using your web content to power your app, you only have to maintain one code base internally. Today, I'll start with the basics and show you how to use GoNative's online app builder to build an app for a digital news site. This tutorial will definitely be helpful to anyone else building a similar app for any type of news content, but it will also serve as a great introduction to the GoNative platform. Let's get started. So for this tutorial, we built a sample news website called the Mobile Daily. That's a similar design to a typical digital news site. I'll add a link in the description so you can check out this website yourself. It's important to note that the web content used within the GoNative app builder must be mobile responsive. So for the purposes of this video, and for you, I'll press F12 on my keyboard, which allows me to use my desktop web browser to view my website on a mobile device. So you see here I can select different types of mobile devices that I want to explore. I'm looking at the iPhone, the Samsung Galaxy, an iPad even. And so if it looks good on a mobile device, it will definitely look good within a GoNative app. So to begin, I'm just going to copy and paste my website's URL and put it into the GoNative app builder right on the home page of our website. I'll just have to click this arrow here, and then I'll need to enter my app name. I'm going to use Mobile Daily and my email address. Once that's done, I can quickly click Start Building My App and get started. So I now have an app on the GoNative platform. It's really that easy. My next important step is to check my inbox and make note of the private management link, which I received by email. The link is also available here in the overview section, and the private management link enables me to return to my app configuration page in the future, where I can make future edits, but also I can share this link with anyone I'm collaborating with, and then they can make edits themselves as well. So to edit and view my app, I'll enter the app builder by clicking Edit App. On the left right here is a navigation menu that provides access to different configuration options within my app. There's the branding section, the native navigation section. We're going to explore this in much more depth in a moment. But on the right is a panel which allows app testing on different mobile devices directly in GoNative's browser-based simulator. These are cloud-based simulators that run the same version of the app that you can download and publish to the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. So I can easily see how my app looks on a real device and make changes accordingly.